This startup was acquired for $80 million, just 6 months after it launched. Base44 is a powerful AI tool that builds a complete website for you for free in under 20 minutes and without writing a single line of code. To get started, go to Google and type in Base44. Click on the first link that Google suggests. This is the site we need. In the center of the page, you can choose what you want to build. For example, you can use Base44's recommendations like reporting dashboard or gaming platform. In our case, we'll select gaming platform. The site we're creating is a platform that helps children practice math skills. Of course, you can change and customize it as you wish. Click the arrow and the system will ask you to sign in. We'll choose to sign in with a Google account. It's important to know that the registration includes giving Base44 permission to see your name and email address. Confirm the registration, and that's it. The system will start working and building the platform for us. This takes about 8 minutes. In the meantime, you can track the progress and see what is being created. Interactive math challenges with exercises in addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Progressive difficulty levels that gradually increase the level of difficulty. In addition, you can see how the website will look in terms of design and content. At the bottom of the screen, you'll also see the build progress. For example, the system has already created the editing game progress entity, and now it's working on editing layout. Later on, you'll be able to add more features, change the design, and even upload an image to help the system customize the site exactly the way you want. In the meantime, subscribe to the channel. Wow, all of this was built for us by the system! There are still a few things we can improve, but we'll get to that soon. On the left, you can see what the system has generated, along with a short description of the site. On the right, you can see the exercises the system created for us. You can see there are 10 addition exercises, 10 subtraction exercises, 10 multiplication exercises, and 10 division exercises. At the bottom, you can also see some nice little elements the system added automatically. What's special about Base44 is that the website it creates is fully mobile-friendly, so it looks great on phones without any issues. You can see the system added buttons we can click. Let's click Play Game and choose a multiplication game, level 7. The answer to this question is 4. And as you can see, the site tells us we were correct. Now let's do a subtraction exercise and intentionally get it wrong, so we can see how the system corrects us when we make a mistake. You can also see all the animations on the site, which make using it much more fun. Above each exercise, you can see the streak and the level. Next, let's try the second section you can access on the site, Progress. Here you can view all kinds of data the system collects and displays for you. It's really clear that the site is well designed, even though I don't know how to code. And finally, the third section you can enter is Rewards. Here you can see your achievements and what you can work on next. The third part I want to talk to you about is editing the website. As you can see, the Kevels buttons each other and don't look very good. So let's fix that. We'll click the Visual Edit button and then click the level buttons so they're all selected on the screen. On the left, you'll see a panel that opens up and lets us easily customize everything, like changing the background color, the text color, and more. At the bottom, we'll type in what we want to fix, and then the system takes a few moments to update and change the site. You can see that the system updated the buttons to be more visually appealing and user-friendly. As you can see, you can customize the website however you like. For example, let's add 5 more exercises to each type of problem. While the system updates the site the way we wanted, I'd like to mention that in the free version, you get 25 credits per month and 5 credits per day. As you can see, the system added 5 more exercises to each type of problem. Besides that, the design works smoothly, even when you use the website on mobile. The last part of the video is the workplace. We'll click the button, and on the screen that opens, we can see a few things. First of all, you can see the name of the site along with its image. Below that, there's an option to share the site with friends. And to the left of it, you can manage who has access to the app. On the left-hand side, there are more options. Under Users, you can see the email addresses of the people who visited the site. You can also view various data about your project. There's an option to create custom domains, but this feature is only available if you upgrade to a paid plan. You can also check your site's security and even see all the code the AI built for you, with no effort and absolutely no coding knowledge required. And finally, you can go into the settings and adjust all kinds of details about your site. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. You'll find a link to the website I created, as well as a link to Base44 in the video description below. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.